Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are with another in my series called Cookies for Hadlee. And this one, I am making this one because the last cookies I had coconut out, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and make these second cookies that use coconut because they're so good anyway. And why not? Just delicious cookies. So these are called Hawaiian Delights, and they are, write this down, 2 cups of the cookie mix, and in the description I'll leave the link to the video where I make the cookie mix. Okay, I'll do that with all the videos making cookies with it. So it's 2 cups of the cookie mix, 1 cup of the coconut, and I have, this doesn't look like, this is like an organic coconut that I got a whole big bag of, and so it's not the sweetened kind or the flake kind. It's just like little tiny bits of coconut. It's fine, but I just want to use it up. So there you go. So then, and a medium banana mash. Now I'm going to tell you a secret on the bananas. If you have bananas that you don't think you're going to get to eat before they turn bad, immediately just throw them in the freezer. Once they freeze, they will look so gross. Like they will look like rotten bananas. But what happens to them, if you take them out of the freezer, within about 10 minutes, they thaw enough and they are already ready to use. And it's perfect for like these cookies or banana breads or things like that. So don't waste a banana you think might be going bad. A teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. I've already got that here beaten. And then a 1/2 cup of chopped nuts and a 1/2 cup of rolled oats. So right there's my rolled oats. And right here's my chopped nuts. So I have those here. And I'm going to use walnuts. You could use anything. But these little Hawaiian Delights are really, really good. And I've got the oven preheated. Ooh, I got to change it to 375. I had it on 350. So this is a 375. There we go. I've got it on 375 now. And I've got my cookie sheet with the silicone. I love this because it makes the cookies just brown perfectly. So I have that. So then in a medium bowl, I'm going to combine the cookie mix, the coconut, the banana, the vanilla, and the egg, basically everything. And I'm going to mix it well, and then we're going to put it on we're going to scoop it out with my little scoop and put it on the drop-by tablespoonfuls. So I use my scoop. And then this is going to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, and just until the edges are browned. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the banana, because I want to put that in. So I love doing that with my bananas that I'm worried I won't get to use. It's a perfect way to use up an old banana. And then a teaspoon plus overflow. There it is. Because I love vanilla. I've got some vanilla that my friend Darty made for me too, and I haven't used it yet. And I need to, because she gave it to me to use, and I just haven't because it's like special for me, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, and I have some vanilla because I want to make my own vanilla as well. So I've got some vanilla beans for that. And there's the eggs. And then I'm going to mix this, mix. And these will be good. So we'll get that all mixed. I like to get it mixed really well before I add in the oats and stuff, because that way it'll incorporate better. There we go. There's that. There's that. And see, once you do the mix, once you have your cookie mix done, all the other ingredients are just, you don't really ever need anything a whole lot, because all the real icky part of making everything as far as cookies, the pain, I guess, is already done in the mix. So it's kind of cool. Okay. There we go. See that? That's looking good. Smells all yummy. So Hawaiian Delights now. These are good. These would be great luau cookies if you had a luau at work or something. All right. Now I'm going to pop these on my cookie sheet, and then we'll try them out. There we go. I want to give them a little mix, a little still mix. Make sure everything's incorporated really well. There we go. Perfect. I don't know why, but I'm sitting here thinking, wonder if cranberries would be good in here. I don't know. This is all stuff that's supposed to be Hawaiian. Bananas and coconut. So good. Okay, now we're going to do my little dollops with this is my cookie scoop. think we're going to get about 24 out of this. I can tell from the amount that's in the bowl. And these, I bet, will just cook down. Well, I've made these before, so I know. They'll just cook down kind of like those cherry ones that we just did. Perfect. I hope you guys are trying these cookies because they're all so good, and I love just having the mix. It's going to be good. All right, so now I will come back to you in 10 to 12 minutes. I bet it's going to be 12. There we go. So these I'm going to pop in the oven, and I will be back when they're nice and done and just golden on the edges. All right, I've got the first batch out. The second batch is in the oven, but I thought you'd like to see them. Look at, they're just the best things. And see, they kind of remind me, honestly, of like a banana bread. Yes. They're like a cookie banana bread. Honestly, these would be really good. Have a couple of these for breakfast. I might try that. Well, a couple of these because they're like a banana bread. You can taste the coconut. You can see the coconut in there. And the banana and the walnuts is so good. Anyway, so this is what they turn out looking like. They're delicious. They're fantastic to have. I hope you guys check them out. I hope you make them. And as always, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.